there, my name is Sarah and I'm here at Oso Lake among the silver dune lupine. I'm really excited to teach you about this plant today because not only is it a really beautiful plant, but it also helps its native neighbors. Today we're going to learn a little bit about its characteristics or how to identify it. We're going to learn about its adaptations or how it survives in areas where a lot of other plants can't survive. And we're going to learn what it means to be native. The silver dune lupine is native to California. When a plant is native, it means that it grows in a certain area naturally, has existed for a long time, or has developed over time. The silver dune lupine is in the same family of plants as beans, peas, and peanuts. You can tell you're looking at this plant if it seems to have silvery, soft, hairy leaves. These leaves, luckily, will be on the plant the entire year. I want to take a moment to explain to you a little bit about the beautiful parts of this plant. Here, circled, we have these beautiful flowers, followed by leaflets. Leaflets are these tiny little parts of the leaves, like fingers on a hand. And finally, the entire leaf circled here. These are palmate leaves, which mean that they look a lot like the palm of your hand. If we take a second to look through my microscope, we can see that these soft silvery hairs would protect the plant from things like sun, wind, and sand. I say it's time to talk about some of the most beautiful parts of the silver dune lupine plant, the flowers. In springtime, depending on how much rain the area gets, the silver dune lupine blooms, allowing us to see these beautiful tall stalks of purple, blue, or violet flowers that shoot out just above the plant. Later in this video, we'll learn a little bit about what makes the silver dune lupine's flowers so special. You might be wondering, where does the silver dune lupine live? The answer is in this neighborhood right here, called the coastal dune scrub community. A plant community is a group of plants that all require the same conditions, meaning the same amount of water, the same amount of sunlight, and all have similar adaptations. We're going to learn a little bit more about what adaptations are later. The coastal dune scrub community is a special one because it is home to really tough plants that like to grow near the ocean. These plants do not need a lot of fresh water, are usually very low to the ground, or what's called shrubs, and are really tough against things like sand and wind because they need to be. The silver dune lupine really grows well in sand because lots of water can drain through it. I did say we'd be talking a bit more about these beautiful flowers. Now that we're back under the microscope, I want you to see just how cool these lupine flowers are. They're such an incredible color because the brighter they are, the more pollinators like bees and hummingbirds will be attracted to them. Some species of lupine even change color when pollinated, telling that pollinator that they can move on to other plants. They are shaped in such a special way and open when the pollinator lands on them, exposing the parts of the flower that are important for the bug or bird to reach. Although the lupine provides a safe place for many insects, it doesn't taste all that great to larger animals that would potentially want to eat it, like cows or deer. I've already given you a few hints about some of the adaptations that the silver dune lupine might have made over the years. But what is an adaptation? An adaptation is a change. So in order for plants to survive, they need to change along with the constantly changing environment around them. One really special adaptation of the silver dune lupine is it has these really strong woody roots that are nitrogen fixing, which means that they're able to take very special things out of the air and turn it into fertilizer for not just themselves, but the things around them. This nitrogen adaptation, along with the silvery, soft, hairy leaves that the silver dune lupine has for protection, along with the pea-shaped flowers that are really good for pollination, all are examples of the silver dune lupine's adaptations. So next time you're out and about on a walk along the coast, keep your eyes peeled for the furry leaves and beautiful purple flowers of the silver dune lupine. To learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow our park social media channels. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.